Hi guys, so I don't usually talk in my YouTube videos, but this time I thought I would put a disclaimer out there since I was touching a wild animal. So, and don't get me wrong, I'm scared of snakes. Like if I find a snake just wandering around in my environment just freely, I would run for my life. But I was only able to touch the snake because one, it's non-venomous, and two, I was doing it under the watchful eye of the snake handler. So I was following his every instruction to ensure that I keep myself safe and that I don't agitate the snake in any way, shape or form. Now, on to the video. Sasa umesema inaitwaje?
Hiyo
Eh.
hiyo inaitwa African rock python. Is venomous.
Okay.
Na huko msituni anafanya kuuma kitu and then rolling. Yeah, but sasa tukimshika akiwa mdogo, tukimshika shika is feeling good.
Okay, so
anakuwa pet snake.
Oh my gosh.
Kutembea ni kawaida. Hawezi fanya chochote.
So, mnaifeeding nini?
I feeding once in a week. Anapewa vifaranga ya kuku. Cocks. Unaweka mingi, anakula karibu 7 ama 7 once. Anakaa almost 1 because of digestion.
So basically it's not even
Nine venomous. Okay. Hawananga sumu.
Lazima nishike kichwa? Maybe weke kwa shoulder. So that's just basically how my day went. That is a sneak peek into what transpired. If you guys want to see more similar videos, you can engage with this video. Just like, share, comment, subscribe, and you'll definitely be seeing more videos from me. So bye, toodles.